Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to activate your Netspend credit card from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to activate your Netspend credit card from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Netspend activate credit card like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the activate your card by Netspend on the first result of Google. Click over there, and this is the activation page, whereas in the first tab we are on the still home page of the Netspend. Now to activate your card from the home page, you can see the activate your card option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on activate your card, and you can see both of these pages are same, so let's close one of these. Now to activate your Netspend credit card from over here, you'll be required to enter the credit card number on the front of your card, which is the 16-digit number on your card, and after that enter your security code or the CVV code, which is on the back side of your card, and it's the 3-digit number, and click on continue. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter the expiry date of your Netspend credit card. And so guys, this is how you activate your Netspend credit card from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.